Good morning and welcome to this short, playful Vinyasa flow. This flow is designed to really just wake up the body, create some heat and find some strength throughout. If you are around beginner to intermediate, this is ideal for you. But if you do want to find some more gentle flows, please check out my playlist and we'll get started. So come on down to the mat, bottom of the mat, coming into our child's pose. We're going to walk the hands forward and take the head to the floor. Take a deep breath in through the nose, expanding the ribs. Exhale. 2 more rounds of breath. Lengthening through the spine, through the body. And on your next inhale, as you exhale, rise, coming into all fours, rounding down into the hands, tucking the toes in, roll the bottom up to the sky, taking our first down dog of the day, walking out the backs of the feet, inhaling and exhaling. 2 more rounds. Last one. And then from here, we're going to take the right knee across to the left side and then left knee to right. 4 more. Just opening up those hips. 3, 2, 1. And then from here, bend into the knees, swivel onto the feet, sink down, looking up past the left shoulder and come up and over, sinking down, looking over the right shoulder. Let's do that 2 more times, maybe a little jump in between. Last round. And then from here, coming back up into our down dog, and then wag the tail, just sinking the hips sideways, and then the other way. Scooping up and in through the belly. 1 more. And then ripple the body forward, sink the hips down, lift the chest up, inhaling, coming into up dog, inhale. Exhale, draw it back out, down dog, roll it out. Let's do that 2 more times. Wave the body forward, sink the hips down, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, down dog. Ripple forward, lift the chest up. Exhale, down dog, sweep the right leg up high to the sky, bend the top knee, open up the hips, coming into the tippy toes of the left side. Inhale. Exhale, take the right knee up into the chest. Exhale, back into 3-leg dog, looking ahead. Now see if you can sweep that right leg all the way around to the top of the mat for me, and then reaching up into our twisted lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Swivel out into the back foot, coming into side plank. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale. As you exhale, this time reach the top arm overhead. Big side stretch. Take the right foot behind you, opening to wild thing. Sweep the right arm round. Take the right leg to the top of the mat again. Opening into our twisted lunge. Swivel to the back of your mat, coming into Skandasana. Inhaling. Exhaling. As you move back up to the top of the mat, swivel the feet outward, coming into this side stretch, IT band, opening up the hips. Release, take the hands down to the ground, step the right foot back, coming into turbo dog. So really sending the rib cage towards the thighs, looking ahead. Inhale. Exhale, ripple the body forward. Sink the hips down, lift the chest up. Exhale, down dog. So from here, we're going to sweep the left leg up high to the sky, coming up into the tiptoes. Bend the top knee, open up the hip, looking under the left arm. Extend the leg, draw the left knee into the chest. Kick it back out. Looking ahead, sweep that left leg all the way around to the top of your mat. Inhale, reach up, twisted lunge, inhale. From here, take that left leg to the outside of the right leg. Inhale, side plank. On your exhale, release, reach over, find that deep side stretch. Inhale. Take the left leg behind you, wild thing. Inhale. Opening up the hips, opening up the chest. Exhale, looking up to the top of your mat again. Sweep the left leg to the top of the mat. Exhale, coming into Skandasana on your right side. Back is tall, chest is lifted. Inhaling. Exhaling. Unravel, come up to the top of your mat. Swivel through the feet. Inhale, rise. Take the hands down to the ground. Step the left leg back. Turbo dog. Wave the body forward. Lift the chest up. Coming into up dog. Lifting up. Into our plank for 4. Into the back of the feet if you can. For 3, broaden the shoulders. 2. 1. Roll out into the back of the feet, coming into bad down dog. For 4. 3, if you need to tuck the toes under, that's fine. 1. And then ripple under those toes for 3. 2. 1. From here, come down into the elbows. Walk the feet in. Coming into our dolphin, maybe bringing the elbows in a little bit narrower underneath those shoulders. Press out for 4. 3. 2. 1. Come back down. Staying away from the neck and the shoulders. You're going to reach the right leg up. And then switch. Left. And right. And left. And then right. Bring it back up. Coming into that down dog. Take the feet about mat width apart. Take the left hand to the outside of the right leg and looking under the right underarm. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more breaths. Switch sides. Inhaling. Exhaling. 1 more breath. Take the hands back out in front of you. Bend into the knees. Jump to the top of your mat. Feet together. Deep breath in. And then sweep the body up. Inhale. And then exhale. Hands to heart center. From here, take a deep breath in. Draw the right knee up. Extend the leg out in front of you. Take that leg all the way out to the outside of the body, sweeping it around, coming all the way in to warrior 3. Hold. Bend the left knee. Rise. Bend. Rise. Bend. And rise. Hold. Keep it strong. Inhale, rise, reach your leg back out in front of you. All the way up, keep it strong. For 3, 2, 1. And then bring that leg down. Inhale, reach your arms up high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise into the toes. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, take the hands back to heart center. Take the left leg out in front of you. Lift that leg up nice and high. And sweep the leg back, reaching all the way back, finding your balance. Good, hold. Bend into that knee, straighten, bend, straighten, bend, straighten. One more. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Sweep it up, all the way up, out in front of you. Hold. Release. Reach your arms back up high to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Soften into the hands. Press out into the toes. See if you can keep your hands flat to the floor this time. And release. One more time. Inhale. Lengthening through the backs of the legs. Exhale. Heel toe the feet to the edges of your mat. Coming down into your low squat. Elbows inside, lift the chest up, inhale. And exhale. Bow your head to your hands, inhaling. And exhaling. One final breath. Just releasing, letting go of any remaining tension or tightness within this body. Namaste. Thanks so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed that short but energetic flow. Do comment below, let me know how you got on, and I will see you in the next one.